Say goodbye to expensive and bulky satellite dishes. A groundbreaking lightweight braided antenna is set to revolutionize field communications, providing a cost-effective and efficient alternative. Developed by scientists at Stanford University, this innovative, bistable deployable quadruple helix antenna replaces traditional satellite dishes with a simple tubular design made from woven strips of conductive fiber composite material. In this video, we explore how this antenna works and its potential impact in battlefields and disaster-stricken areas. Unlike conventional helical antennas, the new design eliminates the need for a central support mast and replaces wires with flexible strips. This allows the antenna to transform from a compact ring to a long, thin configuration, providing versatile deployment options. The bistable design of the antenna ensures ease of use. Whether in a disaster site or on the battlefield, users can effortlessly pull or push the antenna to automatically assume the desired configuration. According to Professor Maria Sokovskaya from Stanford University, our antenna is lightweight and can switch between two operating states. It can do more with minimal cost in areas where there is no communication. Learn how this lightweight antenna emits low-power signals in all directions when deployed and sends powerful signals in a specific direction when shortened, enabling seamless radio communication with ground crew members and satellite communications when needed. The frequencies used are finely tuned based on the dimensions of each individual antenna. Join us as we delve into the future of field communications with this game-changing lightweight braided antenna. Subscribe to stay updated on the latest tech innovations.